Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back after your 3-day weekend. So today is Tuesday, not Monday, so it is Tuesday, May 28th of 2019, and I do have a guest announcer today that's helping me out doing the announcements, so I'll let her introduce herself.
I'm Kylie.
Hi, Kylie. How you doing?
Good.
Good. What grade are you in, Kylie?
Third.
All right. Who's your teacher?
Mr. Sally.
Have you had a good year?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a pretty good year, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, great. I'm glad that Kylie's here. She's going to help us out do announcements for today. So, the first thing I want to make an announcement for is that we do have our Google Expedition. Rain date is today, so that would have been from last Tuesday. So, if your class wasn't able to go last Tuesday, today is the rain date for it. And then I'm going to turn it over to Kylie then to do the rest of the announcements.
Turn in library books. Make sure they're all in this week. And we have no birthdays for today. And lunch choices are macaroni and cheese with roll, a walking taco, and chef salad with Cheez-Its.
Thank you very much. Do you like any of those lunch choices?
I'm not sure because I've never had hot lunch.
Yeah, I don't know. The walking taco is probably the only thing I probably would get out of those ones. The chef salad with Cheez-Its just kind of sounds weird to me. So, yeah. All right, for our pause. This week I'm bringing back pause from past times. So this week we have the best of series of pause happening. So pause and pledge are actually retroactive back to the beginning of the time, or actually the beginning of the school year. So going back here to April. Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our pause that we have for our third grade students today.
Don't change your lunch choice. Don't run in the hall. Don't shove people when they have their lunch in their hand. Make sure you walk carefully to your seat. Don't spill your lunch.
Thank you, guys. Good suggestions. All right, thank you. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence.
Please stand up and put your hand over your heart. And pledge allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, Kylie, anything else that you wanted to say today for announcements?
Nope.
All right, short, sweet, to the point. I like that about her. She's always to the point. Thank you, guys. You guys have a great day, and make sure you make some great choices on this last week of school.